Hi dear students, welcome back to the class. Today we are going to discussing atmospheric electricity. What? Atmospheric electricity. Atmospheric electricity. You know that which is that atmospheric electricity. So what is atmospheric electricity? Yes, that's what lightning. Lightning, that is what atmospheric electricity. So you know dazzling of bluish white light that is produced in the cloud. That is what lightning. And due to that, what it's a produce a loud sound that we call as what thunder. Okay, so lightning and thunder that you know about. Till 1752, we don't know about it, what is this lightning, how it is happened. So after that, our Benjamin Franklin, the scientist, okay, he done one brilliant experiment about this lightning, how it's produced. Okay, and he proves that it's a form of what static electricity or is electric charge. Because of static electric charge, it forms what? Lightning. He proved that. So what he done the experiment that we are going to discussing now. Benjamin Franklin made a silk kite. Okay, made a kite. Franklin made a kite of what? Silk cloth. And the center part that's made with the word iron, and the center part that's what connected with a silk, okay, silk string. Okay, at the end of the silk string hanged one key. See this thing in our kite. Okay, this kite he made with what? This silk cloth. Okay, and the center part that's made with what? Iron. Okay, that's 30 centimeter long. 30 centimeter long. And this kite that is what? The center part that is connected with a what? The string of silk. String of silk. Okay, you know, and at the end of this string of silk, he hanged one key. He hanged one key also. Okay, and when that day came, that means the dark clouds it's formed for the beginning of the rain. He just flew this kite. Flew the kite. First he done what? He just with the knuckles you touch this word end of the key. That time nothing happened. Okay. When the rain started, now he again done same thing. He just with the knuckles he touched the word end of the key. Now he got what? The sparks, bright sparks. That means flash shock. Okay. Actually, as a matter what he just served his life. That means he just served from the jet. Otherwise, maybe it's what you know that the lightning it is possible to the peoples maybe die. Okay, but he just escaped from that. Okay. Yes. What happened here actually? You know that the wet silk string that is a conductor of what? Electricity. So from the atmosphere, the electric charge, that means static electricity, that means electric charge that is comes to the string, that means silk string to the from cloud to silk string, okay, to the wave kite, okay, and the string to key, okay, and from the key to knuckles to the body of the person to the earth. So the earth's electricity that is flow to how? From the clouds to string of the silk, and silks to the key to knuckles to the body to earth. Okay. So this is what Benjamin Franklin's experiment. Okay, about the atmospheric electricity. Okay, clear? How clouds get electrically charged. We already told about what? The clouds, atmosphere having what? That means in our clouds having what? Static electricity. So what is the static electricity? Static electricity, which means what? It's an imbalance of, that is imbalance of the charges, or is imbalance between the positive and negative charge. That is what? Static electricity. Okay. So here we go. What? How the clouds get electrically charged? Due to the heat of sun. Due to the heat of sun, you know that what the air and water that is vaporized. Warm air and water that is vaporized. Okay. So the cold air, when it is vaporized, the cold air from the atmosphere that is what sink on downside. Sink and where downside. So here it is what cold air. Okay. Here it is what cold air. Okay. And the hot air that moves where the upside. So here what hot air. Okay, hot air. When it is hot air and the cold air that is rubbed together. Otherwise what the hot air molecules and the cold air molecules that is rubbed together due to the friction. Due to the friction, the charges are passing. Okay, the charges are transferring. Is it clear? Due to rubbing, the charges are transferring. Is it clear? So, due to this way, what the clouds get electrically charged. Actually, these all things that depends upon the what? Atmospheric conditions. Okay. Condensation take place here. The condensation take place here. What is this condensation? Yes, condensation means the gas that's changed into liquid form at a particular temperature. So here that what this condensation take place and also clouds are formed. Because of the condensation, the clouds are formed. Okay. These clouds have what huge amount of what static electricity. Okay. These clouds have what huge amount of static electricity. Is it clear? Okay. So, like this way, the clouds get electrically charged. Did you understand the topic? Okay. Now we are going to discussing the another topic. Lightning strikes a building. What? Lightning strikes a building. How lightning strikes a building? Okay. So here, imagine a negatively charged cloud passing over a high-rise building. This could induce what? Positive charge. This could induce positive charge on the top of the building. Okay. So let's take a what? See, this is the building. Okay. The building is having what? Positive charge. Okay. And in our clouds that's having what? Negative charge. Clouds having what? Negative charge. Okay. So you know that this positive that always attract what? This negative charge. So here this positive charges that is attracting the atmospheric cloud, that is the negative charge. So this charge is passing through the moisture. Okay. So this charge that is passing through the moist air to the building. So this may makes what the building get a fire. Okay. So how can we prevent this? For this, we invented what? Lightning conductor. Actually, the lightning conductor, that is a what? Copper rod we are using here. Okay, the side high-rise buildings we use what? Copper rod. Okay, the side of the buildings that's been connected with a what? Copper rod. The copper rod one end that is becomes to what? Sharp. Here this becomes what? Sharp. You know that the copper is a good conductor of electricity. Copper is a good conductor of electricity. Okay. So this copper rod that we used as a what? Lightning conductor. Okay. See how this arranged. So this is connected to this rod that is connected to the building one side. Okay. And one end is at the top of the building and another end that is placed one where the copper plate. This copper rod is connected to the copper plate. This is what? Copper plate. This copper plate that's been buried deep inside the earth. This copper plate that been buried deep inside the earth. Okay. Now, with the atmospheric electricity that is started, that means lightning is happened. So this lightning occur. What will happen that time? This electricity is passing through the conductor to the earth. Okay, like this way we can able to prevent otherwise what? To protect our building from the lightning. Okay. How that static electricity flow through the conductor, that we are going to discussing now. I hope you already discussed about that how to charge a sparks. You know about the atomic structure. So there are two spheres. We already discussed about this. Okay, this is insulator spheres we know and another sphere is also here. Okay, this there is two spheres. Okay, and one sphere having that positive charge and another sphere having a negative charge. Just think about, if these positive and negative charges are equal in number, they are not transferred. Okay, this having positive and this having negative, the same number of proton and the same number of positive charge and negative charge, positive charge and negative charges is there, that will not flow. Okay, and now let's think about this. We are connecting with a one plastic coated copper wire. Okay, these two spheres that we connected with a what? Plastic coated copper wire. So now the charges, mainly the charge flow to the positive charge flow to the negative charge. Can also, it is possible. If any way it can charge, that means charge can pass. So the if it is passed like that in the both case, if it is passing on this positive to negative, negative to positive, this sphere becomes neutralized. No? Yes. So how these charges are passing? How these charges are passing? You know that how the charges are passing. We already know about we already discussed about what atomic structure and Rutherford atomic structure also. And you know that the charges that the charges transfer because of the electrons. Because of electrons it's happened. Okay, free electrons are the responsible for what? Transferring the charges. That you already know it. So here, see, in this case, in our old assumption, what we say, positive charge that is transferred to negative charge. Positive charge is transferred to the charge that is passed to a negative charge. So this charge passing, we said before it. So this we call as what? Conventional current. What is it? Conventional current. Conventional current means what? This positive charge that is transferred to the negative charge. Okay, that is what? Conventional current. Actually, flow of charges through a connector. Flow of charges through a connector that we call as what? This is a connector. This is a connector that we call as what? Current electricity. Okay. So first our, that means our old assumption. Or assumption, that is what? The positive charge that is transferred to the negative charge, because the positive charge that is having high potential and negative charge having very low potential, that we said. Actually, that is not happening. This negative charge is transferred to the positive charge. Actual, that means real current charge is what? The negative that is transferred to positive. Negative that is transferred to positive. So this type of charge that we call as what? This type of current we call as what? Real current. What is it? Real current. So in case of real current, the real charge that is flowed to positive charge. You know that in our nucleus there is a no displacement. They are not moving. Only the electrons are moving. So you know that this negative charge, which means our electrons that is moved from one body to another body. Okay, so this we call as what? Real current. So in this case, these negative charge, that means negative charge having what? High potential and positive having what? Low potential. Okay. Did you understand how these charges flow through a conductor? Okay. Thank you.